Hello everyone. Today we will see how to host CSS file on Dropbox so we can use it for custom Feedwind widget. Hosting CSS on Dropbox is a great solution for some CMS who do not have a facility to host CSS file. First you need to create custom CSS file. I have already created one, fontfamily.css. In that I have used font from Google, custom fonts. So once you have created your style sheet and saved it as .css file, then you can upload it to Dropbox. Let's upload. Log into Dropbox, drag and drop. Once file uploaded, click on share, create a public link, copy link, and paste in Notepad or any editor you want. Replace www with TL, copy the whole URL again, go to your widget, sign in, my widget, go to custom CSS field, okay. The fonts are coming from Google, save and get the code. That's it. For any more change in your CSS, just make changes in your local CSS and upload and replace your CSS on your Dropbox and refresh the widget. All related articles are listed in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.